Good afternoon students. Today we will be doing the last topic of our syllabus, that is differential equations. In the differential equations we are having two parts. One is finding order and degree and one is solving differential equation. In solving differential equation we will be having only two types, variable separable and linear differential equations. So as we have reduced the syllabus in new curriculum, it is much easier for you to recognize and to solve the differential equation. For differential equation, you will be needing the knowledge of derivative as well as integration. So first I will tell you what is differential equation. Differential equation is equation in x, y and their derivative. For example, dy by dx square minus 2xy equal to 0. Something like this is called differential equation. Now I will explain you how to find order and degree of the differential equation. For that, as we need little knowledge of derivatives, so I will revise derivative first. Example, if y is equal to x raised to 5, then what is dy by dx? It is 5x raised to 4. Now we learn first order derivative. This is called first order derivative. If we find derivative of this, then we say it is d square y by dx square. What is d square y by dx square? It is d by dx of dy by dx. This is the thing clear to everyone. What is d square y by dx square? We find derivative of dy by dx. So what will be answer? We find derivative of this function again. It will be 20x raised to 3. Okay, this is called second order derivative. So likewise, we will be having d cube y by dx cube. What do you have to do? It will be derivative of d square y by dx square. So we find derivative of this function. Again, that is called third order derivative. So order of derivative is clear. dy by dx is called first order. D square y by dx square is called second order. And d cube y by dx cube is called third order derivative. So we will find derivative of this. What it is? 60x square. Okay. Likewise, d raised to 4 by dx raised to 4, again derivative of that. So order of derivative is clear. I hope it is clear. Now just see the difference. What is dy by dx whole square? So it will be square of this quantity. It will be 25 x raised to 8. X raised to 4 into x raised to 4 will be x raised to 8. 5 into 5 will be 25. Now see d square y by dx square, it is 20x cube. So certainly these two things are not same. Okay, so you have to remember this thing. What? dy by dx square is not d square y by dx square. This is second order derivative, it is first order derivative and square of that quantity. So these two things are different. Am I clear? Okay, so we will continue with how to find order and degree of differential equations. See, this part comes for 4 marks in the exam. Mostly 2 sums will be given and finding order degree. So for every sum, finding order will be having for 1 mark, finding degree will be for 1 mark. And in the exam, you have to write the answer of what is order and what is degree. In between steps, no marks are there. Please remember, only for finding order degree, for steps there are no marks. So I will explain you what is definition of order first. Order of differential equation is the order of highest order derivative present in that differential equation. And the degree of differential equation is the degree of that highest order derivative present in differential equation when the differential equation is free from fractions and radicals. So what is fraction, what is radical, you will come to know when I explain using problems. So right now we will start with how to find order and degree. We will initially start with very simple sums of order and degree. So sums are, question is find order and degree of differential equation. I am writing some simple sum initially. Suppose this is my differential equation, then only one derivative is present, that is dy by dx. So as I have explained, what is order of that? It is first order derivative. So order of this differential equation is 1 and its power we have to see. What is power of that? Is 2. So the degree of differential equation is 2. I take second example. Suppose it is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx cube minus 3xy equal to 0. Then you may say this is degree 3, so degree is 3, but it is not so. What you have to see is, given differential equation, first you have to find out what is highest order derivative. So what are derivative present in this equation? dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So what is highest order derivative? It is d square y by dx square. So definitely by looking at the sum, you can easily find what is order of that differential equation. So in this, what is order? Order of differential equation is 2, and you have to see the degree of that highest derivative, that highest order derivative. So its power, nothing is written. That means degree of this differential equation is 1. Okay, don't say the degree is 3. Order is 1. It is not so. This is dy by dx. This is d square y by dx square. So second order derivative is present. That's why order is 2 and its power is 1. So degree is 1. Okay, I'll take one more example. Suppose it is d cube y by dx cube minus d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4 square minus dy by dx plus 3y equal to 0. Then many derivatives are present in this differential equation. This is dy by dx, this is d raised to 4 by dx raised to 4, this is d cube y by dx cube. What is highest order derivative? It is d raised to 4 by dx raised to 4. Not necessarily the initial one will be highest order derivative. What is highest order derivative here? It is d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4. So it is fourth order derivative. That's why what is order of this differential equation? Order is 4 and degree of this differential equation is the degree of that highest order derivative. So what is degree? Now degree of this differential equation is 2. Okay. So if the sum is having no fractional powers and no fractions involved, then you can give the answer merely by inspection, but this won't be a case always. For all the 3 examples, no simplification I have done. I have directly written the answers of order and degree. So in every sum, finding order without explanation, without simplification, you can find the order. But for degree, you may need to do simplification when the differential equation will be having fractional powers. Those are called radicals, and fraction, that means something upon something. Whenever you are having, then you need to simplify that, and after simplification only you need to find degree. So finding order directly you can do in every problem always, so no one should lose marks for order. Okay, so we will be doing little difficult examples now. So I will explain you what is a radical. What I have told you what is a radical is the fractional power. So if the sum is d cube y by dx cube plus x raised to 3 by 2 is equal to dy by dx. Then here you can say this is dy by dx, this is d cube y by dx cube. So easily you can say this is first order derivative, this is third order derivative. So what is order of differential equation? Order of differential equation is 3. Highest order derivative present in differential equation. That you can tell easily. But for degree, the equation should be free from fractions and radicals. So what is radical? Fractional power is radical. So how to remove this fractional power? If I do squaring on both sides, why I am doing squaring? Because I need to remove this by 2. So if you are having by 3, then we will do cubing on both sides and so on. So I am doing squaring on both sides. What will I get? If I do square, I will get d cube y by dx cube plus x raised to 3. That upon 2 will get cancelled out. And this side I will get dy by dx whole square. Okay. Now, this is highest order derivative. If I expand a plus b cube, then what will be power of this first term? What is a plus b whole cube? You know, no need to expand the full thing, but you can easily say what is power of this term. It will be 3. So, the order of this differential equation is 3 and degree of this differential equation is also 3. Its power is 3. So the degree of differential equation is also 3. This equation is free from fractions and radicals. So no one should say what is degree. Degree is 3 by 2. Degree is never a fraction. After simplification only you have to write the answer of degree. And what is degree in this sum? Degree is 3. Okay. So we will be doing one more example to explain you what is fraction. Suppose I have x upon dy by dx is equal to y minus x into dy by dx. So, in this differential equation you can easily see what is derivative. Two derivatives are present. This is dy by dx, this is also dy by dx. So, what is order of differential equation? Order is 1. That you can easily see, but you cannot say what is degree directly. By this you may say degree is 1, but it is not so, because in this equation we are having x upon dy by dx. So fraction is involved. So you cannot write the answer of degree as it is. So what you have to do, I will multiply with dy by dx. This side I will get x into dy by dx into y minus x into dy by dx. Just simplify this. It will become y dy by dx minus x into dy by dx whole square. So many of the students, what they do is dy by dx into dy by dx. They may say d square y by dx square, but which is not. So dy by dx into dy by dx will be dy by dx square. Okay. So what is order of this differential equation? Anyway, initially only we saw what is order. Order is 1. And now what is the degree of dy by dx? Degree is 2. So the degree of differential equation is 2. Thank you. Okay, as I have taken only one sum of radical, I will take, I think, more sums of radicals. So suppose it is square root of some d square y by dx square raised to 2, plus suppose it is y and equal to d cube y by dx cube. Then all of you can see what are the derivatives present, d square y by dx square and d cube y by dx cube. So what is order? Order will be 3, but the degree you cannot say directly. This is square root. So to remove the square root means it is what? This raised to half. So to remove the square root, what we need to do? Again squaring on both sides. So I will get d square y by dx square plus y is equal to d cube y by dx cube square. Okay, so now what is order of the differential equation? It is 3 and degree is 2. You might say degree is 1. This is highest order. Now in the initial sum the degree of that is 1, but the answer of degree is 2 because this differential equation is not free from fractions and radicals. Radical is present, you have to remove that first. This step you have to write and then you have to write the answer of degree. So degree is 2. We'll take one more example and then I will stop. Suppose you are having cube root of d square y by dx square is equal to square root of dy by dx. Suppose the sum is like this. Then what are derivative present? Dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So what is order? Order is d square. So order is 2. That everyone can find easily. Now to remove square root, what we did in the last sum, we did squaring on both sides. But to remove cube root, what we need to do? Cubing on both sides. So what we will do is squaring also we will need, cubing also we will need. So we will take 6th power. So we take basically LCM of 2 and 3 and we will take 6th power. So it is taking 6th power on both sides. What will I get if I take 6th power of this? It is cube root means what? It is raised to 1 by 3. And if I take 6th power of that, it will become, if you want I can explain, 6 by 3 and this is dy by dx. Initially it is square root, so by 2 and we have taken 6th power, so it will become d square y by dx square raised to 2 and dy by dx square. Oh, sorry, dy by dx cube. Okay, so now order of the differential equation anyway we saw it is 2. I will see the power of that term. What is power of that term? Power of that term is also 2. So what we will get? Order is 2 and degree is also 2. Okay, so if I do little modification in this sum, suppose this is square root and this is cube root, then can you say what will happen? This power will become 6 by 2, so this will become 3, order will remain as it is 2 and degree will become 3. So this is how you need to simplify the sums. This is not the sum, please don't see this is wrong. I have changed the sum. Thank you.